On the left-hand side, either use your own video uploads or you can scroll to videos on the left-hand side. And for this case, I'm going to be creating a introduction for a movie that's about the last showdown or the final showdown. So I'm going to select maybe this video clip here. So it's just a really short intro to this movie that I want to create. So it's about 10 seconds long here. And then I'm going to come over to the top and click on text and add the movie title here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this page. I'm going to duplicate it. And then for this one, I'm just going to expand the title to enlarge it. So it basically fills up the entire screen. And then between the two pages, I want to add a transition. I'm going to select match move. So the basic idea is where the text, it grows larger as the movie intro plays out. So if I want to do that, I can increase the duration of this to the max duration. So it's about 5 seconds here. And so it should transition from a smaller text into this final text when I present it. So if I go to present, you can see the text grows larger. And that's kind of what you see in a lot of movies, such as action movies. They'll have the title start out in a small font and then slowly increase it to a larger font as you move through the intro. So that's how you create a really simple intro. It's very easy to create. All you have to do is add a transition, make sure that you have two distinct different fonts. One is smaller, one is larger, and then just add an animation, the match move animation effect, to be able to create this short but simple movie introduction. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.